Good evening, class. In the last lecture, we are seen allied angle. Now, in this lecture, we are study compound angle. Let's see trigonometric function of pi by 2 minus theta. Means here pi by 2 means 90 degree. Here pi by 2 means 90 degree. Pi means 180 degree divided by 2 means 90 degree. So pi by 2 minus theta. We have cos A minus B is equal to cos of A cos of B plus sin A sin B. We take equation number 1. Put A is equal to pi by 2 and B is equal to theta in equation number this one. A is equal to pi by 2 and B is equal to theta. Means A is equal to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus theta cos pi by 2 multiplied by cos theta plus sin pi by 2 sin theta. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. What is the value of cos 90? That is 0. And sin 90 value is 1. So whole value is 0 and giving only sin. So 0 multiplied by any number 0 and 1 multiply sin theta is equal to sin theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now again replace A is equal to pi by 2 and B is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. We replace A is equal to pi by 2 and B is equal to pi by 2 minus theta in equation number 1. Means that is pi by 2 minus theta cos of pi by 2 cos of pi by 2 minus theta plus sin pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus theta. So we know that cos of 90 means pi by 2 is 0. So whole multiply by giving 0. 1 minus here 1. We know that sin 90 is equal to 1. So sin pi by 2 minus 0. Cos of theta is equal to 0 plus sin pi by 2 minus 0. Means sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos of theta. Again, now to find tan. Tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta divided by cos pi by 2 minus theta. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. We putting theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So that is. So we know that sin pi by 2 minus theta value is cos of theta, giving in this equation sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos of theta. So we write cos of theta, and cos of pi by 2 minus theta means sin of theta, that is sin of theta. So we know that cos of theta divided by sin of theta means cot theta. So tan of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot of theta. This is the formula. ये फार्मूला है, हमने प्रूफ किया. मीन्स tan of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot of theta. ये सब फॉर्मूले हैं. दिस वन ऑल्सो फार्मूला एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो फार्मूला. हमें फार्मूला प्रूव कर रहे हैं. ये सब फार्मूले हैं, ये सब हमको यूज करना है सम सॉल्व करते वक्त. सो सेम सिमिलरली cot of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan of theta. So same here sec pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec pi by 2 minus theta gives sec theta. Now trigonometric function pi by 2 plus theta means here we study pi by 2 minus theta, and here pi by 2 plus theta means 90 plus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We are study already. So replace theta by minus theta. We replace here theta is minus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta cos minus theta. We know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. In the last lecture we are studying sin pi by 2, here minus minus plus, plus theta is equal to cos of theta. So sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos of theta. This is also formula. We have cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin by from this one above one to cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So now we are replacing theta by minus theta. So minus, we know that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this is also formula, cos of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now similarly, tan pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cot pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Sec pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Cosec pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sec theta. Trigonometric function of a 3 pi by 2 minus theta means here 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. 270 degree minus theta. These are all formulae we are proving. Here 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to, we get minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, and cosec 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus sec theta. These all are a formula. Now trigonometric function 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Here minus theta, now study plus theta. So these are also same. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta, and cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Now trigonometric function pi minus theta. Here pi means 180 degree. We know that pi is equal to 180 degree. So since we have sin a minus b is equal to sin a multiplied by cos b minus cos a multiplied by sin b. These are also formula. We know that sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We take equation number 1. Put a is equal to pi and b is equal to theta in equation number 1. We are putting a is equal to pi and b is equal to theta. So sin pi minus theta is equal to sin pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta. We know that sin pi means sin 180 is equal to 0 and cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So 0 multiplied by any number going value is 0, and minus minus here plus, and give sin theta. So sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now this is also formula, cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Equation number 2. Here also we putting a is equal to pi and b is equal to theta. So cos of pi minus theta, cos pi cos theta, sin pi sin theta. We know that cos of 180 minus 1 and sin of 180 0. So minus minus, so minus cos plus 0 to minus cos. So cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So tan clear also same. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So tan pi minus theta is equal to sin pi minus theta divided by cos pi minus theta. So sin theta divided by minus cos theta. We know that what is the value of sin pi minus theta? Sin theta, and cos pi minus theta means minus cos theta. So minus, and we know that sin theta divided by cos theta means tan theta. So minus tan theta. So tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So cot pi minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec pi minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec pi minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Now again these are a minus theta, and here pi plus theta, pi plus theta. Now we have sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. We are studying above this one. This sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. We are replacing theta is equal to minus theta. So sin pi minus theta is equal to sin minus theta, and here sin minus theta, so minus sin theta. So and here minus plus. So sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta cos. We know that also in above theorem, replacing theta is equal to minus theta. So cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos of minus theta. Here cos of minus theta means cos of theta, but already have a minus sign, so minus cos theta, and here minus plus, so cos pi plus theta. And these are also similar. Tan pi plus theta is equal to tan theta, cot pi plus theta is equal to cot theta, sec pi plus theta is equal to minus sec theta, and cosec pi plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Some trigonometric ratio of a allied angle. These are a ratio of allied angle, means n is a even number. So sin n pi by 2 plus minus theta is giving plus minus sin theta, and here n is an odd number. So n sin n pi divided by 2 plus minus theta giving plus minus cos theta. So these also are very important value for solving sum. ये बहुत important है, हमको इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है बहुत. So now this is a trigonometric ratio, sin, cos, tan, and this is the angle, means theta. This is a minus theta. 90 plus theta means pi by 2, and here 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta, and 360 minus theta. So that is the value of all of these, sin, cos, and tan. In a 90 degree, sin is 90, sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and tan 90 plus theta means minus cot theta. We are studying, and sin 90 minus theta giving cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta giving sin theta, and tan 90 minus theta gives cot theta. So similarly, sin and value is 180 minus theta is equal to cos sin theta, then cos के लिए minus cos, and tan minus tan, and 180 plus theta. So sin is equal to minus sin, and cos is equal to minus cos, and tan is equal to tan. In a 270 plus theta means cos sin is equal to minus cos, and cos is equal to sin, and tan is equal to minus cot. For minus, sin is equal to minus cos, and cos is equal to minus sin, tan is equal to cot. And here 360 degree plus theta for sin goes sin, and cos is equal to cos, and tan is equal to tan, and minus theta means 60 minus theta for sine minus sine, cos is equal to cos, and tan is equal to minus tan. So these are also very important. Coterminal angle and their trigonometric ratio. Angle which have a some initial and terminal arm and whose measure different by any integer multiple of 360 means 2 pi radian. 360 means 2 pi. We know that pi is equal to 180, so 180 multiplied by 2 means 360. So 2 pi is called as coterminal angle. Trigonometric ratio of a coterminal angles are same for any integer n. For any integer n, theta and 2n pi plus theta are coterminal. Means n, theta and 2n pi plus theta are a coterminal. So sin 2n pi plus minus theta is equal to plus minus sin theta, cos 2n pi plus minus theta is equal to plus cos theta, and tan 2n pi plus minus theta is equal to plus minus tan theta. Similarly, other trigonometric ratio has been obtained. Now we are studying compound angle. An angle obtained by algebraic sum or a difference of two or more angle is called compound angle. In this angle, obtain algebraic sum and difference of a 2 and more, not only 2 and more angle is called as compound angle. वो compound है angle का. There are sum and difference of 2 and more angles is called compound angle. And the respective angle are known as a constituent angle. For example, A plus minus B, A plus B plus C, A plus B, this is a sum, and B minus C is the difference, means A plus B minus C are called as a compound angle. So these are a compound angles. Trigonometric ratio of a sum and difference for two angles. Here we are showing a two angles. For a cosine of a sum and difference of two angles, means here for cos we can solve for a cos sum and difference of two angles. We know that cos of A plus minus B, A plus minus B is equal to cos of A, cos of B plus minus sin A, sin B. Consider standard unit circle intersecting x-axis at point A 1 0 as shown in a figure. So this is the figure. Radius is r, means 1. Value that is the point is A. 1 0 means x is equal to 1. So this distance is 1 and y is equal to 0. And that is R, P and Q. And here angle A starting from these two P, that is angle A, and starting from X to Q means angle is B. So he is A and that is B, shown in a figure. Now angle AOP, these angles are A, and angle AOQ angle is B. B2 angle intersect the circle at the point P, cos A sin A and Q cos B sin B respectively, such that A is greater than B. So we know that A is greater than B because A is greater at B से point P and Q पे intersect हो रहे हैं. So measure angle POQ is equal to A minus B. POQ हमको ये एंगल चाहिए. सो हम क्या करेंगे, बड़े वाला में से छोटा माइनस करेंगे तो हमको ये वैल्यू मिलेगा. मीन्स दिस एंगल माइनस दिस एंगल वी गिविंग दिस एंगल, मीन्स A minus B we giving this angle. Coordinate of a point R is equal to cos of A minus B and sin A minus B. So chord PQ similar to chord AR, means these are a chord PQ similar to chord AR. So length of chord PQ is equal to length of chord AR. So they are similar, so lengths are also equal. Now we taking square length of chord PQ is equal to length of chord AR. Now distance formula, we have cos of A minus cos of B whole square plus sin A minus sin B whole square is equal to cos A minus B minus 1 whole square plus sin A minus B minus 0 whole square. This is the distance formula, means d square is equal to y minus y1 whole square plus x minus x1 whole square. Now cos square A minus 2, we are solve this bracket, means this A and this B, so A square minus 2AB plus B square. In this way we are solving by using this formula, A minus B whole square A square minus 2AB plus B square. So cos square A minus 2 cos A cos B plus cos square B, and same we can solve these and these. So we giving this equation. Now we common outside part of A and this A outside, and square of B and here also B take out, and remaining are common. And we in another right hand side we take common square outside in this way, and these are outside. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value is 1, so same as value is 1, and in this way, and here also value is 1, so here A minus B is equal to theta, so value is 1, and same equation as it is. Now 1 plus 1 2, so 2 minus 2 cos A cos B minus 2 sin A sin B, here 2 minus 2 cos A minus B. So now 2 get cancelled, so minus 2 cos A cos B minus 2 sin A sin B minus 2 cos A minus B. Now these two are common outside, then dividing by minus 2. Now dividing by minus 2 to minus 2 get cancelled, so cos of A cos of B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B. तो हमने ये प्रूव किया. Now cos of A minus B is equal to cos of A cos of B plus sin A sin B respectively. We replace B by minus B, then cos of A minus B, so that is A cos of A plus B. Here we take minus B, we know that cos of B is cos of B and sin minus B is minus sin B. So in this way we can write. Now sin for a sum and a difference of a two angle. Now we are solving for a sin. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B. We have cos of A plus B cos A by Obo theorem, cos of A cos B minus sin A sin B. We replacing by B is equal to pi by 2 minus B Obo equation. So we put B is equal to this one. So A plus pi by 2 minus B is equal to cos of A cos of pi by 2 minus B sin A sin pi by 2 minus B. Now cos multiplied by pi by 2 and cos multiplied by B. Here also sin multiplied by this and sin multiplied by this. But we have cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We are studying. Now here theta is equal to b. So this value is sin b and value is cos b. We put here by using this formula. Now here also we putting cos of pi by 2, and here theta is equal to a minus b, so minus sin a minus b. We using this one and multiply by minus 1. So here minus sign get cancelled, and here take minus sign, and here plus. So sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now we know that sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We replace b is equal to minus b, so here take a plus because of minus minus plus, and sin a cos b, so cos minus theta, so give only plus cos of b, and here minus, so minus sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, so giving this equation. Now tangent means tan of sum and difference of two angles. Here tan a plus minus b is equal to tan a plus minus tan b, 1 plus tan of a tan of b. So we know that tan is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, so sin a plus b cos a plus b. We know that sin a plus b means this, and cos of a plus b means this. Just we are studying. So dividing by cos of a and cos of b in a numerator and denominator, both of we are dividing in RHS. So cos of a cos of b cos of a cos of b, here also we can multiply. Now here both are cut, and cos of b cut. These are also cancelled, and these are cancelled, so we giving this equation. Now we know that sin divided by cos tan, so tan of a plus tan of b, 1 minus tan of a tan of b. So these are an equation. We have tan of a minus b is a sin of a minus b, and cos of a plus b is equal to, we know that then sin, this is the value of, so here minus sign, just mistake. So we know that value of sin of a minus b and cos of a minus b, so we putting this value here, and again multiply by dividing cos of a cos of b, numerator and denominator, so giving this. So these are cancelled, here both the term are cancelled, and here, so giving these, so value is 1, and these are not cancelled, so we are separated, sin a cos a sin b cos b, so value is tan theta, so tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b, so giving these. Now show that sin a plus b multiplied by sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. So we take LHS, means sin a plus b sin a minus b. We know that the value of sin a plus b and sin a minus b, we can write this way. Now we know a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, so a minus b and multiply by a plus b, so take square and take a minus. Now sin square a and cos square b minus cos square a sin square b, we using this formula in this equation, so we giving this one. Now squaring this bracket, sin square a cos square b cos square a sin square b. Now we know that cos square b means 1 minus sin square theta, we using this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so we using this one cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square. In this also sin square we using in this one also. Now here sin square multiplied by 1 and sin square multiplied by also this one. So sin square theta minus sin square a sin square b is equal to sin square b plus sin square a sin square b. So here these and these are plus and minus, so got sin square a minus sin square b. So we can prove it, hence prove. Without using calculator find the value. Without using calculator we can find the value of sin minus 330. So how to find? We get separated. 330 means 360 minus 30 means 360 minus 30 is equal to 330. Now multiply by sin. Now we take sin minus 330 is equal to, we know that sin minus 30 is equal to minus sin theta. So we write this one, and 330 means 360 minus 30, and using this one sin 360 plus 30 is equal to minus sin theta. So minus theta, here theta is 30, and here minus is plus, so plus sin 30, and what is the value of sin 30? Half, means 1 by 2. So sin minus 330 is equal to half, and another is cot 90 pi divided by 16 means, here pi means 180, so 90 divided by 180 multiply by 180 divided by 6, so that is the value is here 6, 180 divided by 6 means 30. So 6 divided by 180 is 30. Now 19 multiplied by 30 is 570. Now this 500 we separated by 360 plus 210. So we using this one, cot of 360 plus theta is equal to cot theta, means cot theta here 210. So cot 210. Now again cot of 180 plus theta is equal to cot theta, here cot theta is 30, so cot of 30, and cot of 30 is under root 3. Now we finding without use of calculator, find the value of 19 pi by 6 is equal to under root 3. Using trigonometric ratio of a 30 degree 45 degree, find the value of tan 150 degree. Now we want to find the tan of 150 degree. Now this 150 degree separated by 180 degree minus 30 degree, so giving 150 degree. So we using this formula, tan of 180 minus theta giving minus tan theta. So minus tan theta, here theta is 30, and we know that tan is equal to sin divided by cos, and sin theta is equal to half divided by under root 3 by 2. Here cos of 30 is under root 3 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled, 1 upon under root 3, and here minus, so minus 1 upon under root 3. So tan of 150 is equal to under root 1 minus 1 upon under root 3. Without using calculator, find the value of this. We want to find the value of this. In this way, we find these, then we find these, and these, and adding all of 4 equations, then we get the value of all of these. Now to find sin of 150 means, we can separate it 150, 90 plus 60, so cos of, we using this, so cos of 60 is half. Now tan 315, so we separated by 360 plus 45, so here 360 minus theta means minus tan theta, and here theta is equal to 45, so tan of 45 is equal to 1, and minus here sin, so minus 1. Now cos of 300 we can separate it by 360 minus 60 means 300, so cos of 360 theta is equal to cos theta, and here theta is equal to 60, and cos of 60 is equal to half, so value is half, and here 3660. We are separated in this formula. N multiplied by 360 plus theta means tan multiplied by 360 plus theta, and here theta is 60. So sec n multiplied by 360 plus theta is equal to sec theta. So sec theta is 60. Sorry. So sec 60 is 2 and whole square. So 2 square is equal to 4. Now we put all these value these in this one. So half minus 1, half plus 4, here minus plus half 4, so giving value is 6. So that is the value is 6. Without using calculator and prove that, without using calculator, we want to prove this one, cos of 21 minus sin 21 divided by cos of 21 plus sin 21 is equal to tan of 24. We want to prove. Now we take LHS, means this one. Now we write this in this way. How? We multiply by this cos of 21 multiply by 1 minus sin 21. So cos, in this cos 21 minus sin 21 divided by cos 21, and here 21. So cos 21 get cancelled. So this is this one. So in this equation we can also write in this way, and this is also write in this way by using this one. Now sin divided by cos means tan. So 1 minus tan of, and 1 plus tan, because we know that this is the tan, and this cancel. We know that tan of 45 is value is 1, and this also 1 multiplied by tan of 21. So this one value is tan of 45. We putting tan of 45 is equal to 1. Now we know that tan of a minus b means tan of a minus tan of b. 1 plus tan of a, tan of b. We know that. So tan of a plus b means here a is a 45 and b is a 21. So 45 minus 21. So tan of 24. So we are proved. So hence prove. Now another is tan 66 plus tan 69. 1 minus tan 66 tan 69. Same here. We know that a compound angle tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a, tan b is equal to tan a plus b. Now here a is a 66 and b is a 69. So putting 66 and 69. So tan a plus b, and here means the addition will be tan 135. We can also write 9 plus 45. Then tan of 90 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta, minus cot theta, and here theta is the value of 40. So minus cot 45, and cot 45 is 1. So here value is minus 1. So we can evaluate this one. We can also evaluate this 135 tan of 180 minus 45. Tan of 45 is equal to 1, and here minus we using this, so minus tan theta. So theta is 45, value is minus 1. Now next example, tan x plus y is equal to 3 by 4 and tan x minus y is equal to 8 by 15. Then show that tan of 2x is equal to 77 divided by 36. So tan of these are given. Now to show that tan of 2x is equal to 77 divided by 36. 2x means x plus y and x minus y. So minus get cancelled. So 2x, x plus x means 2x. LHS tan of 2x. So we can write 2x means this value, and this is a and b. So we can write in this way by this, and put the value of tan of ax and tan of x minus y. We putting this value, given that. Now we here multiply by 15 and here multiply by 4 both sides. So base are same, and here 4 multiplied by 15, and this giving value 60, and 60 multiplied by 1. So 60 minus 24, and these are the same. So 77 divided by 60 and 36 divided by 60. So 60 get cancelled. 77 divided by 36. That is the RHS. So hence prove. Now in any triangle ABC, prove that this one. So LHS we take this one. We know that triangle of any angle triangle value is 180, means we take a right angle triangle, so is a 90, 45, 45 addition is any angle of three angle addition, we get a 180, means angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So these are also same. Now we putting this value in A plus B, B plus C and C plus A, we giving this. Now these two are common outside, so 90 and here 90, 90, because 90 multiplied by 2 is 180, so then 2 get cancelled. Then sin 90 minus C, sin 90 minus A, sin 90 minus B. So using sin 90 minus theta is equal to cot of theta we are studying. So cos of C, cos of A, cos of B, so RHS. So hence we are prove. Hence prove. If A plus B is equal to pi by 4, now to show that this one, so A plus B is equal to 45, to show that this one, so we take LHS. In this we to show is equal to 2. Now we take LHS this part, 1 plus tan A. Now multiply by this one, this, then this, 1 plus tan A plus tan B, and 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by tan, then tan multiplied by B and tan B multiplied by tan A. So equation number 1. By compound angle formula, tan A plus B, this one, so tan pi by 4, A plus B we are given, A plus B means pi by 4, so we write pi by 4, tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. We know that tan of pi by 4 means value is 1. Now tan of A plus tan of B, 1 minus tan of A tan B. So giving this side, so tan of A plus tan of B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. This value put in equation, this one tan of A plus tan of B, so 1 plus 1 minus tan of A tan of B. So here this minus and this plus are cut, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we putting this, so hence prove. In the last example, this A and B both are obtuse angle, and sin A is equal to 5 divided by 13 and cos of B is equal to minus 4 by 5. Then find sin A plus B and quadrant of angle A plus B. हमको इधर फाइंड करना है sin A plus B and A plus B कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है. सो हियर गिविंग ये दिया हुआ है, एंड sin A plus B is equal to, we know that by compound angle formula, sin A plus B means sin A cos A plus cos A sin B. We put this value by using this formula, cos A and sin B, and these both are value are given. This one we put in equation number, means we put in this equation, so giving this. Now here 5 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 20, and 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 65. In this 169 multiplied by 1 minus 25, so 144 divided by 169. Here also 25 multiplied by 1 minus 16, so 9, 25. Here is 9 means 3 raised to square and 5 raised to square. Here 12 raised to square and 13 raised to square. So square and under root get cancelled. So giving this value. Now 13 multiplied by 5 means 65. So base are same. So we write 65, and 20 plus 12 means multiplied by 3 means minus 36. So minus 12 minus 36. So minus 36 divided by 65. So that is a less than 0. So sin A plus B value is this. These are a less than 0. Now cos of A plus B means cos of A, cos of B minus sin A sin B. these are giving value, ये वैल्यू दिया है, and this also. So 30 multiplied by 5 and 30 multiplied by 5 65, both base are same, and 12 multiplied by 4 means 48 and 5 multiplied by 3 means 15. So 48 multiplied by 15 33 divided by 65, these are greater than 0. So since a plus b is a negative and cos of means sin a plus b is negative and sin a plus b is a positive, this possible any in a possible only in a fourth quadrant, because of sin is a negative and cos is a positive, so that is a possible a plus b is in a fourth quadrant. So this is in a fourth quadrant. So now we are stop here.